Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Cancer, water sign. This is February weekly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa. So let's see what are the messages for you, Cancer. What are the messages for you, Cancer? Nine of Swords, Six of Pentacles and Two of Cups. The Hierophant, Three of Swords and Knight of Cups. Okay, Page of Cups. Lot of cards, swords. King of Wands, Four of Pentacles, Ace of Cups. Yeah, for some, yeah, you are loving yourself, you are investing energy on yourself, you are doing self-love, which is very great thing, because I think you are giving priority to yourself more than anyone. And what I'm getting here, for some it could be a new person entering in your life, and this person is very have so much love for you, for some. Okay, let's see your reading recent past. Nine of Swords, Six of Pentacles and Two of Cups. You are thinking about something a lot, and especially when you are alone and when you are at night times, you are thinking them alone, and in this type of energy like anxiety, depression type of energy, you are unable to sleep. Because there is no equal give and take in this connection. Six of Pentacles, you only the person always investing and giving, but not getting anything in return. And yeah, your person have love for you, but there is no commitment. What I'm getting here, Two of Cups, maybe this is spiritual journey, you both are in spiritual connection, but there is no equal give and take because Six of Pentacles is here. That's why you are suffering. And then the Hierophant, Three of Swords and Knight of Cups. Yeah, there is no commitment. That's why you are heartbroken. Three of Swords. But they're coming back. I think two persons coming back. One is past person and another one is one new person coming towards you. And past person and future energies, Page of Cups, they're coming back with an apology, Cancer. But you stand by your power and you are holding back. You are not interested in things right now because you are holding back your emotions, you are holding back everything. What I'm getting here, because you stand by your power, now you are very grounded, you don't want anyone because you are emotionally stable now, you know how to control your emotions now. But this Knight of Cups may be your past person, now they're realizing your worth, that's why they're coming back with an apology. For some it could be a new person. For some it could be two persons, for some it could be only one person. So take what resonate and leave the rest. But an apology, some past person is coming back with an apology for what they did to you. Because in past there is no commitment, your person is non-committal. But now they're coming back with an apology and they're realizing you both Knight of Cups. But it is Knight of Cups is also very slow moving energy. But they're coming. But you stand by your power, you are holding back. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going on. Under the deck, Three of Swords. Yeah, your person also missing you so much. They are also heartbroken. You are also. Maybe you both are on the same page. Maybe for some there is separation or no contact situation right now. Cancer. So let's see your person current feelings towards you. King of Pentacles, Queen of Wands, Seven of Swords. And under the deck, Princess of Swords. Message, communication. They may be spying on you on social media. Yeah, communication. And King of Pentacles with Queen of Wands. Your person also very powerful person. They may be very grounded. And King of Pentacles, yeah, this time they want to offer stability to this connection, commitment. Yeah, they know they did something wrong to you. They may be lied to you, cheated on you. For some, it could be third party situation also. Seven of Swords energy. Yeah, they're realizing, yeah, they know they hurt you, but now wanting you back. So let's see your person near future actions towards you. Cancer, your person near future actions. Six of Pentacles, Princess of Cups, Eight of Swords. Yeah, there is no equal give and take. And under the deck, Two of Swords. Yeah, your person at some crossroads, they have to make their mind before coming towards you. Still your person is juggling. Six of Pentacles with the Princess of Cups. They are getting clarity about the situation, about the relationship. And Six of Pentacles, yeah, they are making a move towards you. They are going to be make some action in near future, because Six of Pentacles, they really want to offer commitment and equal give and take. And Eight of Swords, now they are feeling stuck. 7 to 8, yeah, because they know they did wrong to you. That's why they're feeling guilty. Maybe they're feeling stuck. Yeah. So the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. It could be any sign, but lot of air energy and earth energy is here. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini also. The Lovers card. Wow, 10 of Cups. See, they really want you back, and they really want to offer this 10 of Cups happiness, and they really want to be with you as a family. They want family with you, Cancer. And yeah, right now your person stuck and they are spiritually awakening. Let's see from your side. Cancer. Yeah, you are also thinking about them. Wow, see? Double happiness. It's again Ace of Cups. There is so much love between both of you. Definitely this relationship is going to be next level. Most of you, especially the third party situation. Otherwise, this relationship is going to be next level, because 2 10 of Cups is, you both want happy family with each other. Wow, see. With different decks, same card. And you also thinking about your person a lot. Definitely there will be reconciliation between both of you, and your person is very sincere this time. They really want to take this relationship to next level, Cancer. And lot of water energy. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio or Gemini. So you also love your person a lot. Princess of Swords, spying, communication, again apology, message. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Cancer. Wow, beautiful reading. You have strong emotions for your person. You are very caring and giving person, Queen of Cups. See, while I am doing reading, I am thinking about your card, Cancer, the Chariot card. It came finally. So yeah, the Chariot. It's your card and it's your reading. Yeah, definitely this relationship is going to be next level. Even though it is slow moving, but still there will be some movement. Yeah, right now there is separation, and still you want rebirth in this connection, because you have strong emotions, and you also want to take this relationship to next level. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Cancer, your person overall energy. Double happiness, what I'm seeing here. 2 10 of Cups. Wow. It's amazing. Yeah, your person wishing for this connection. They are wishing for reconciliation. If you are not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level. Wow, the Sun. Wow. Your person is already financially stable. They are abundant. Things are turning out this connection favor and your person's favor. And the Sun, positive outcome, reconciliation. For some children's also involved in this connection. And 9 of Cups. They're really wishing for this connection. Wow, what a beautiful reading. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. The answers you need are coming. So if you are having any questions regarding your relationship, regarding your work, whatever, and this is the message from universe, the answers you need are coming. Okay, So you don't worry about your questions or whatever problems, because the answers you need are coming. So this is the message from universe. So this is the reading for you, Cancer. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.